This tutorial will take you through the 3 simple steps to enter a sale. Get started by logging in with your email and password. If you need assistance with registering or resetting your password, we have additional tutorials on our help page. When you log in, you will land on the auction calendar page. This page will allow you to filter through auction events using the filter panel. You can also toggle between your favorite auctions, today's auctions, and upcoming auction events. Locate the sale that you wish to attend. To view additional information about any sales event, click on the event name or photo to view the event details page. You can enter the sale from the calendar page or from the event details page. The event will have a button that says Attend. If you are attending an auction event for the first time, clicking that button to request membership with that auction, you may be prompted to agree to their terms and conditions. Depending on the auction house, your status will be approved or pending. If you have already been approved to bid by the auction, clicking Attend will generate your sale credentials. A pop-up will appear showing your dealerships, their statuses, and credit limits. If you have multiple valid dealerships with credit, you may select which one or multiple you would like to use in the sale. Please call the auction house directly if you need assistance with approval or credit limit. A list of each auction house's contact number is located on our help page. After selecting at least one valid dealership, you may click the Attend button. After clicking Attend, you will be prompted to select which lane you would like to open. Note that you can add additional lanes once you enter the sale. Select a lane, then press Continue to open the live bidding screen. Please note that you cannot attend a sale that is not yet running. You have now entered the simulcast sale and may bid. Note that you can view upcoming vehicles and your watchlist vehicles in the panel on the left side of the screen. To add additional lanes, click the button that says Add Lanes to Attend, located at the bottom of the page. A list of all sale lanes will appear, and you may select each lane you wish to add. When you're done, simply close the window. All of the selected lanes will display on the side or bottom of your screen, allowing you to switch between them.